Hello. After months waiting to be able to pay for this is my gilding kit from the gildingplanet.com. I've been watching videos for the last year about how to gild, and about 5 months ago I said to myself, I'm going to be doing that. And if you've seen my recent video about the preview of this project, then you know I have a bunch of things that I'm all prepared to gild, one at a time. So I haven't opened this box. I have a general idea of what's in here, and I'm going to open it, and we're going to talk about what's in here. And also talk a little bit about a couple of other things that I bought recently, also related to gilding. So here we go. I am pretty excited about this. This has been many months in the planning. Now this cost me $130. $92 of that was the gold leaf, because that's what gold is going for these days. Yeah. Alright, so first we've got packing materials. A pamphlet, which, now I already have one of these because I ordered something else from them, a brush, so now I have two of these. Oh, okay. And, popcorn, oh boy. Alright, so they did show a picture of a kit on their website, and it looks like that's what this is. Okay, so I don't have to dig through all of that popcorn. I can just move this box over and put this. Alright, and I am sorry I don't have enough light. I admit it freely. I need to do I need a lot of equipment to film this stuff properly. Okay. Popcorn released. Alright, so oh my gosh. I can't wait to open this. Oh, and of course they're gonna make it hard. Let's see here. Alright, I don't want to totally wreck the package. Probably one on the other side. Yes. Okay. And note that it does, it's check marked gold. Sorry about the glare there, but it is check marked genuine gold leaf, 23K. Yeah. Because the reason for that, even though I've never gilded before, they taped this on all four sides. Oh my gosh. So the reason for 23 and above is because at 23 it won't tarnish. I mean, over time it will look dull and it'll have to be polished and maybe refreshed a bit, but they say it will not tarnish. And well, I'm certainly wondering if that's going to be true. So even though I ordered this from gildedplanet.com. The product is packed by Sep Leaf Products, Inc. in New York. And I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the leaf. Okay. This is one of the better brands. Oh my god. So there's $92 worth of gold in there. Oh my goodness. We're gonna look at that. Don't worry. Okay. Cheesecloth. Yes. Very nice. Very good for burnishing. Now this is an oil gild kit, and you're probably wondering what's the difference if you're new to gilding. It's the kind of size that is used that I'm going to be using. There's water size, oil size, and water size is burnished in a different way. So I'm pretty sure that's what this is for, because I have read that people do this. Having said that, supposedly there's instructions in here. Okay. Now, looks like this is a postcard. Okay, now, but I take offense at this card, because they're showing a frame in this picture. Now that's all great, right? This is a studio that's associated with Sep Leaf Products, Inc., who's associated with gildingplanet.com. Yeah, are you confused yet? Anyways, the thing is, frames are usually done almost exclusively with the water size method. Alright? But hey, I can forgive them for wanting to include something related to gilding. And, I mean, look at that frame. I mean, is that not pretty incredible? I mean, damn. Yeah. Okay. All right, so next up we have a bunch of things. One at a time. Gilding Project Kit. Okay, this looks like a rundown on what's in the box. Guidelines on how to get started. Ingredients. And so that's good. That's good because with my first foray into this, I want as much assistance as possible. They do have classes through Zoom, but about 3 times as much as I paid for the kit. And plus you have to buy the kit, right? So it's like, now I get it. Learning from the master. Yeah, that's all fine and good, but I mean, it took me forever just to be able to afford this. Okay. So, it looks like this is, an advertisement for other products, and, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. And you can't tell in the video, but it's bright orange. I don't know why it looks so light on my camera. Jeez. Alright. Then we have some very fine, I'm guessing, yes, very, very fine sandpaper. I don't think I'll be using this for my current projects that I have planned. That's more for wood, and I'm not going to be touching wood. Okay, so what else they have here? They have some sticks, which is great, but I actually bought sticks. I bought a whole big thing of sticks, so I've got enough sticks. Gloves. Now, I don't have any cloth gloves, so I'm going to treat these carefully, and I'm going to be ordering more of these if I can find them. Like a 20-pack would be great, if not more. Huh. All right, and then what we have here is this is the brush that you use to apply either the C's, the primer, or the top coat, which I won't be using. I think this is the top coat. Yeah, see, I'm not going to be using this because I'm going to be gilding with 23K, which I don't want to put this on. This stuff tends to turn yellow after a while. They say it won't, but I don't believe it. This is a really good brand, Ducks Paint. Let me see if I can get that closer. Yeah, alright. So this is a good brand, but it's still clear coat, acrylic top coat, not the best thing, and I don't need it really anyways. Alright, and it's nice because this foam is cut out, and so they're seated firmly in here. Alright, so primer. Not absolutely required, but it's a good idea. Especially if you're doing this on metal, which is exactly what I'm doing. All kinds of metal. And in addition to it priming the surface, it will leave a yellow color behind. And this particular color is good if you're doing gold, because the gold is thin and it improves the opaqueness of the gold. Now they also sell red primer, and it's also used for gold leaf. But in my opinion, and I've seen some things gilded with the red primer, it's a little too orangey. The result is a little too orangey for my taste. A little too garish, a little too much, a little too in your face. Maybe for something very small. Alright, and this is the C's. I know it says leaf adhesive, but it's C's, and it's oil C's, and it's really too bad it doesn't say that on there. But that's what you get for ordering a kit. At least, though, I know what I'm going to be dealing with. That was the purpose of buying the kit. I didn't want to be guessing on all the bits and pieces that I had to order, along with the actual gold leaf. And I wanted the instructions, and I wanted all this commentary and everything. So, even though I'll never buy this again, and I'll just buy the gold leaf, I have this. Alright, so I'm sure you're all wondering what the gold looks like. So, yeah, let's get to that, because I'm dying to see it myself, okay? But I'm going to kind of move all this stuff out of the way. And I'm talking on a microphone tonight. I hope a better microphone. I hope it's better quality audio. I need a real mic and so many other things for videos. But I have made an attempt to improve this part of my current video structure. Oh boy. So this is... I'm trying not to manipulate this package too much, and the glue on this package is kind of ridiculous. Alright. That's probably not a good idea. Alright. Oh boy. This is pretty exciting. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to come out. So, alright. So, okay. I wanted to make sure that I knew what kind of setup this was, so that I can show off some of this gold. Alright, so there it is. 23K gold. Now, I know, not very good lighting here. I apologize. But look at that. Oh my god. It's light as a feather. I don't want to mess with it anymore. This stuff is crazy messy. When I start using this, I'm going to be buying a Tupperware tub to do this in, because this is my desk. This is a big honking desk I use to do crafting and stuff. I'm doing this in my bedroom. I have no other place I can do this. I really don't want gold leaf going all over the place, believe it or not. And I'm going to be adding a bunch of commentary in my video, so scroll down to read it. It'll have a link to Gilded Planet and a couple other links also to maybe a couple good gilding videos if I can dig them out. You watch any 2 or 3 gilding videos and you'll see how much of a mess this stuff makes. It gets everywhere. Okay, before I end this video, we are getting the 15 minutes, and I try not to go over 15 minutes, and I promise we're not going to do that today. But here are my bag of sticks, which I ordered from Amazon. They're just sticks, really, no big deal, okay? I've been holding on this forever in preparation for this project. It's a plastic container that I'm going to try to put all my loose leaf in to use for other stuff. What other stuff, you ask? I'm not sure yet, but I have ideas. I have plenty of ideas. Alright, this was my first purchase from Gilded Planet, and this is a mopping brush, and this is what you do. You do this on the gold to burnish it, and I know they included cheesecloth, but I've watched way many videos on how to do this properly with the gold, and these come in many different sizes and shapes. This is kind of like the basic mop for leaf gilding. Yeah. Finally, one other special thing. So, I ordered this from England because I wanted a blue one. Everybody here in the United States was selling them, and they were tan and orange, and I wanted blue. And I found a company in the UK that sells high-end gilding equipment, and they had this on sale for 30 bucks. And it's sealed shut. You know, I haven't opened it yet, and you know what? I don't want to open it. But this is a handle, okay? Very heavy board. Turn it over. Suede, fairly nappy, rough suede, and a parchment shield. So the idea here is you put this on your arm, you put your sheet of gold on here, you cut it with a knife, and then you use other pieces that I can't show you because I don't have them yet, to move that piece of gold that you've cut onto whatever you're gilding. So there you go. We're under 15 minutes. I did it. Yay! If you've liked this, please subscribe. It's the first time I've said that in a video ever, because I'm so new at this. But I'm going to be posting tons of videos, not necessarily super fast, but I'll be posting progress videos. I'll be posting a video about my first gilding project. And towards the end of the project, which is a total of gilding 5 or 6 different things, I am going to gild something on camera in a video. Alright, so meanwhile though, I'm also going to be sharing some other miscellaneous videos coming up soon, including a video showing my collection of gilded glassware. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.